Life has a way of dropping unexpected challenges right into our path, instantly raising our internal stress levels. That sudden, sharp jolt of worry can feel like an earthquake, shaking the very ground of your composure. When that instant worry takes hold, it swiftly begins hijacking your valuable thought processes. These rapid negative cycles attempt to pull your entire focus away from your intended path and purpose. This is precisely the moment when intentionally anchoring your faith becomes your most powerful internal defense. Remembering the enduring truth found within Scripture offers an immediate and potent recalibration for your mind. Our very first critical step involves physically interrupting that panic signal by deliberately slowing your breath. Inhale deeply, allow a brief pause at the top, and then release the air with a long, slow exhale to shed the tension. With your body settling slightly, intentionally turn your attention to a short, familiar Bible verse about peace. Meditating on just those few powerful words helps shift your perspective back toward divine strength, rather than immediate dread. Following that essential internal reset, commit immediately to taking one small, manageable, forward-moving action. Completing even a tiny, achievable task builds immediate momentum and reassures you that you are still in control. Understand that a momentary feeling of panic is fundamentally different from a permanent loss of your spiritual stability. Your faith is not a passive wish, but rather an active choice you consciously make every single time worry tries to whisper. Think of prayer not as the absolute last resort, but as the very first line of defense available to you right now. Speaking your concerns aloud to God immediately decreases the overwhelming internal power those worries held over you. Visualizing a peaceful resolution, even while the chaos swirls, helps your mind begin to align with faith's promise. Look around your immediate surroundings and deliberately find 3 tangible things you can genuinely be thankful for this second. That quick, conscious shift toward gratitude acts as a powerful and immediate disruptor of any negative stress loop. If the stressful situation persists, make a personal commitment to revisit that anchor scripture 3 more times throughout the next hour. Building this repeated pattern trains your spirit to automatically default to peace instead of instantly defaulting to anxiety. Remember that every significant figure of faith faced their own moments of intense, sudden, and surprising pressure. Your consistent, faithful response to these smaller stresses actively prepares you for navigating the much bigger waves later on. Every single time you consciously choose faith over the fleeting emotion of fear, you are actively reinforcing your spiritual foundation. This process isn't about eliminating stress entirely, but about controlling your internal reaction to it when it arrives. By combining deep breaths, scriptural grounding, and deliberate action, you are mastering your response cycle. Keep practicing these specific steps daily so that calm becomes your default setting when the unexpected unexpectedly occurs. You are developing the essential muscle memory to protect your focus on God even when the immediate world feels chaotic. Trust in the power of these simple, repeated actions to carry you through every sudden surge of pressure. Go forward now, knowing you possess the tools to remain steadfast and deeply faithful, no matter what tomorrow brings.